Understanding Quickened Heartbeat, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. Quickened heartbeat. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English expressions. So, let's dive in and discover what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. When we say someone has a quickened heartbeat, we're referring to a situation where their heart is beating faster than usual. This can happen for a variety of reasons, ranging from physical activity to emotional responses. A quickened heartbeat is often associated with feelings of excitement, nervousness, fear, or even love. It's a universal experience, capturing a moment where emotions or actions lead to a noticeable increase in heart rate. To help you better understand how quickened heartbeat can be used, let's look at some examples. 1. During physical exercise, after running up the stairs, she could feel her quickened heartbeat. 2. In moments of fear or suspense, the sudden sound in the dark room caused his heartbeat to quicken. 3. When experiencing strong emotions, every time she sees him, her quickened heartbeat reminds her of her deep feelings. These examples show that a quickened heartbeat can be a response to various situations, emphasizing its versatility in the English language. Understanding synonyms and related expressions can help you vary your language use. Here are a few related to quickened heartbeat. Accelerated heart rate, heart racing, pulse quickening. Each of these expressions can be used interchangeably with quickened heartbeat, depending on the context and the nuance you wish to convey. Now that you know what quickened heartbeat means and have seen some examples, let's practice using it in sentences. Whenever she spoke in public, she could feel her quickened heartbeat, a mix of nervousness and excitement. The movie's climax left everyone with quickened heartbeats, eager to see what would happen next. Practice creating your own sentences to get comfortable with using this phrase. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, quickened heartbeat. It's a beautiful example of how the English language captures the physical and emotional experiences of life. Remember, learning these expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you express yourself more precisely and vividly. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language tips. Happy learning!